Good day, guys. This is the next part of this video, which is how to design a good book cover. Okay, so you're welcome back to this channel. If you will be following this series, okay, it's a full course in Amazon. And you've not subscribed to this channel by now, you're not encouraging us. Okay, so please do subscribe to this channel, and that's the only way you get to motivate us to do more videos like this. Okay, so I know some of you have actually been struggling with how to design book cover. God, like, I've seen people design nonsense. Sorry to use that word, but I've seen people design rubbish. Okay, so, and sometimes some people use the Amazon, the one offered by Amazon, the Amazon template. That's even the worst. Okay, so there are ways to design book covers for just beginners, just basic. You don't really need to do much, just basic. Just use Canva. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to use Canva to just design book cover from scratch. It's not going to take time. You get. So, and if you cannot design book cover, you cannot go through that stress, you can probably give somebody to design your book cover for you. Okay, but what I'll be showing you right here is how I've been able to do that, because me myself, I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not that too good, but my books are selling because I try to design covers that are still attractive and okay. So if designing book cover is your problem, or you've been following this course, and the next thing here is how to design book cover, so just sit tight while I show you how I able to design my own book cover for this book. So the first thing you have to do is you come here and you search for Canva. You just go to canva.com. Okay, when you go to that canva.com, you just sign up on canva.com. Okay, so I'm already signed in, so it's showing me I already designed a book cover for this, but I'm going to be showing you how I designed this book cover. So you just sign up on canva.com. You can see I'm using the templates I use here are the premium version. So there's a way I actually got this premium version of Canva. So if you want to, just drop a comment on the comment section, and then I'll tell you how you can get this premium version. Okay, the premium version, free of charge. I'll just show you how you can get it, or I'll just tell you how you can get it. Okay, so that you can get access to a premium ones. And I'm sure that the free ones, people are used it. You understand? So what you have to do is just come to create new design, and you just come here and you search for book cover. Okay, you can just come here and search for book covers, and then it's going to create this for you, and then you just come to template, and then yes, let me just click this, so you see what I'm saying. So it's just going to create something like this for you. Okay, so you see templates, then you can just select. Okay, so I want to show you how I'm able to create this. So what I did was I came here and I searched for the one that it's okay. I'll just take it, and that's what Canva does for it. And so you have templates here already. What you just need to do is just pick one and just edit it. Okay, so I just came here and I selected this one. Okay, I selected this one, so you can see it almost looks the same, but I had to change it because so many people too will have selected this one. That's the mistake that people do. You just come pick cover, you just change the title, and then you just bring back, and books are looking the same, and Amazon Blue boats is just blacklisting your account, or you get. So you want to avoid that. You create from scratch. Okay, but just so that you can get a picture, because it's very hard creating from scratch, trying to look at the concept and things to use, but Canva just solves that issue for you. Okay, so you can see other ones. Okay, so how do we transform this to this? It's very easy. Okay, so once you come here, the first thing you have to do is first we have to get our image. Okay, so you can go to a pixabay pixabay.com, or you can go to pixels.com. Okay, so once you go to pixabay.com, you just search for, we have been writing a book on bearded dragon, so you just search for bearded dragon, and you just get any picture you want to get. So the one I was able to choose for this, let me see, I think this is the one I was able to choose for this. So what I just did is download it, and I go to remove.bg. just go to remove .bg, remove the background. Don't just take the picture like that and take it to Canva. Okay, these are some of the things that you can do to your cover to make it look different. Okay, so it doesn't look the same with what other people are uploading there. Okay, so that your account doesn't get flagged. So you come here, you click the image, you upload the image. Okay, so just come here, upload image, open, and then see, it's going to remove the background for us. So this is not the one we use, but see, it's going to remove background. You're not using something like this that when you move the background it looks, but I'm just showing you how. So you just click on download. Okay, so right here, let's come back to here. So the first thing first, we'll have to impute our own image. So let's delete this and go to upload. Okay, so for those who are using smartphones to design or to write, so I'm still going to do a video on how to use smartphone. So I'll just come to upload files, and I think I've already uploaded a file for this. Okay, so let me just click on upload file and come to downloads. Let me look for that particular one. Okay, let's see if I don't think this. Let's see if this is it. So open. Okay, this is it. So I'll just click on it, and once I bring you just have to be creative. Okay, just do something at least. Okay, okay, so yeah, this is it. So this is it. So I'm just showing you how to do, just create this design. So I'm going to change the color. Another thing, I'm going to change the color. I don't want it to look like what has been there before, so I just choose something different. Okay, or choose something like this, depends on you, but I prefer this. Okay, so let me look at this. Yeah, I prefer this. So I can oh, do that. So I can still make it a little bit bigger, and you don't want to come and upload it like this. No, now it's not looking okay. So I'm just going to shift it here. You can still select another image on. Let me, there's another one I downloaded, so let me show you. There are different ways you can create these book covers, and it looks very okay. So let's see, oh, not this, there's another one. So I show you different ways. Okay, so you can see, even if I pick this one, I still know how I'll be able to edit it. So let me just delete this one first. Come here and just I'm not really good at it, but I'm just showing you how you can make your book covers. I can just take this to the side. Okay, take this to the side too. Okay, so I can still do it like this, and then it still looks okay. You get more preferable than those things they upload. I just tell Amazon to just create a cover for them and all that. Okay, so but I want to show you how I did this one. Okay, so how I did all them. So I want to show you how I did this one. Okay, so this is it. So you just come here and you just change this. Okay, change this. So our book is on bearded. I think we already I already showed you how to pick title. I picked the title for this book. So okay, bearded dragon care. So we just come here and bearded dragon care. So you can see this. So I can just reduce the size of this or increase the size. So whatever you want to do. So I just come here, and I think what I actually had to do was just showing you quickly. I think bring this down here, come here, and then just change this. I think we use, let's just look at this, ultimate guide to, okay, so ultimate guide to, so what I want to do here is I'll increase this. Okay, so probably I'll just change fonts, things, so just you just play around with this. Okay, let me use this font. Okay, yeah, so I just reduce it. So it's just left to you. Okay, I bring this down a little bit. Okay, yeah, so this is okay. Then this name, I'll just bring it down here, and then I'll just put the the name of the author of my own book. So that's just that on that. So that's just it. So you can see, like this, we've created so like this, you can see that we've created our title. Just simple and straightforward. No big deal there. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to create the back of the cover. Okay, so what you will just do is add page. Okay, now it's important because some people will just go and create a blank page for it. Let me show you something now. Wow, so you can see this now. You can see the book cover of this book. See the book cover. Okay, so you can see. So Amazon allows your book cover to show like this. So you have to know how to craft a very good book cover. So let me just do something. Yeah. So because of time, I'll just search for book cover here. Okay, let me go to template design. Okay, now back. Okay, so there's see one here. So you can just come here and search for back book cover or something so that you can. Okay, but something there is something here. Okay, this is another one. You can see another style of book, but I think I like this one. I like this one. And so a few moments later, let me show you what I was able to create. This is just it. This is very simple. So I just quickly designed the back cover. Okay, so I used this one here, this one right here. So no, okay, I just used it. Okay, so what you just have to do is, you see the synopsis, just add the synopsis and about the author. I left this place for the barcode. Okay, so Amazon is going to add your barcode to the book. So once you're done with this, you can see this is okay, this is okay. So you don't really necessarily need to do much. So you just come here, change the color because it was formerly this. So to change it, come here, change it, and then it looks okay, it looks perfect. So you come here, you click on this share, you understand, and click on download, and then you download as JPEG. Very easy. So this is how we are able to design our book cover rather than using the Amazon template. Okay, so you just go to your folder and then you can extract it. So I'm going to extract it here. So extract, then you're going to find it. So let's view it. Very easy, can see. So this is the book cover. So hey guys, if you found this helpful and you followed to this part, so please like, and most importantly subscribe so that the next part you get notified when I drop the next video.